In this video, you will learn how to use EBSCO Discovery. To start, go to your portal page and click the link to the library on the left side of the page. In the middle of the library's homepage, you will see the link "Click here to search EBSCO Discovery." In the search box, enter your keywords, for example, student loan debt, and click Search. Enter your Shea Library email and password. Your password is your phone number without any dashes or spaces. Some topics may have a Research Starter at the top of the page. The Research Starter provides an overview of a topic. The filters listed below the search box help to narrow your search results. The All-Time filter will limit a search to a specified date range. In this example, we will look for search results published within the last 5 years. If you want to customize the date range, use the All Filters option. Source Type allows you to filter to a specific type of resource, like journal articles, magazines, books, ebooks, and more. Let's select Academic Journals and click Apply. The Peer-Reviewed filter will narrow results to articles that have been peer-reviewed. This means they have been written and reviewed by experts in the field. Click on this button to choose Peer-Reviewed. Additional limiters are available by selecting the All Filters option. When you have finished choosing your options, click on Search. To take a closer look at any article, click on the title. On this page, you will see information about the article, including the author's and journal title. The abstract, which is a summary of the article, is also found on this page. To access an article, select the Access button below the article title and choose one of the options. You can get a citation for an article by clicking the Cite button in the top right corner of the page. Choose the style, then click on Copy to Clipboard. Citations provided by databases may not be correct, so it's important to check the citation for accuracy with your style guide or Purdue OWL and make any necessary changes. Close the window. You can email an article to yourself by selecting the Share button. Click on Email, enter your email address, then click Send. Close the window. Articles not available through Shea Library will have a button that says Request Interlibrary Loan. To request an article, copy the citation provided by the database. Click on the Request Interlibrary Loan button and scroll down. Enter your name and email address, paste the citation, and click on the Copyright Compliance button. Finally, click on Submit. If you need additional help using EBSCO Discovery, please email shay.library@aic.edu, and don't forget to visit the library's YouTube channel for more helpful videos.